Sidewinder and Cyclone bandsaw models are capable of miter cutting angles in one direction. To miter the saw, first make sure the motor is turned off. Never miter the saw arm with the motor turned on. If the 90-degree lockdown bolts are tightened, loosen them before attempting to rotate the arm for a miter cut. The bolts are located here. Raise the saw arm high enough for the blade to clear the cut slot and material. Loosen the two bolts on the vertical support on the discharge table and move the vertical support back from the blade when mitering the saw. If the vertical support is not moved back and the arm is rotated, the vertical support will be cut along with the material. Retighten the bolts before making a cut. Remember to move the vertical support back towards the blade when making straight 90-degree cuts. Make sure the adjustable guide arm can clear the material and the raised discharge plate. If the guide arm does not clear the material, adjust the guide arm to give it enough room. Lift the cam lock lever on the protractor scale up to enable the saw arm to be rotated. It is located here. Make sure all cords are out of the way and do not catch on the saw when rotating the saw arm. Rotate the saw arm until the pointer on the protractor scale aligns with the desired angle for the cut. Never use the blade tension handle to rotate the saw. Push the cam lock lever back down to lock the saw arm in place before cutting. If the cam lock lever is too tight to enable locking it down, or too loose to adequately lock, it can be adjusted using the Allen head bolt located in the cam lock lever mount. Make sure to clean the protractor scale and cam lock lever area routinely to keep chips and debris from building up and not allowing the saw arm to be moved when rotating for a miter cut.